Your plant is losing money right now, and you probably don't even see it. Not because your machines are failing, not because your operation is inefficient, but because you don't have real visibility of what is actually happening. Most industrial companies already generate data, but very few actually use it in real time. And in industry, what you don't see, you can't control. And what you can't control eventually becomes a cost. Let's break this down. Every industrial plant today is full of sensors, automation systems, and PLCs controlling machines. Everything is generating data every second: temperature, pressure, speed, production, energy. The data exists, but here's the problem. It does not always reach the people making decisions. So what happens? The plant keeps running, but decisions are based on incomplete information, or worse, delayed information. And delayed decisions are expensive decisions. Here is the uncomfortable truth. Most companies don't have a data problem. They have a visibility problem. Data is scattered, not centralized, not structured, and not accessible in real time. So teams react to problems instead of anticipating them. And every time you react late, you lose time, you lose efficiency, and you lose money. This is where most industrial value is silently lost. This is where SCADA changes everything. SCADA stands for Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition. But forget the name for a moment. SCADA is the system that connects your machines to your decisions. It takes raw industrial data and transforms it into real-time visibility. Instead of isolated information, you get a centralized view of your entire operation, and that changes how you operate. The logic is simple, but extremely powerful. Machine, PLC, SCADA, dashboard. Data is captured at the machine level, processed by industrial controllers, collected by SCADA, and displayed in real time. From physical signals to structured information to actionable decisions. That flow is what turns operations into intelligent systems. Now imagine this. You can see your production. As it happens, you detect a failure the moment it starts. You understand what is happening before it becomes critical. No waiting for reports, no guessing, no blind spots. This is what real-time visibility gives you. And when you remove uncertainty, you increase control. And when you increase control, you improve performance. Let's talk about impact. Without visibility, you react. With visibility, you anticipate. That difference is not theoretical, it's operational and financial. Less downtime, faster reaction, fewer losses, more control. Every minute saved, every problem detected earlier, directly impacts your bottom line. This is not about technology, it's about money. If you work in industry, this is not optional knowledge. This is how modern operations actually run. Follow this page if you want real insights about industrial systems, automation, and how companies improve performance. Comment SCADA if this made sense to you, and share this because most plants are still operating without visibility.